Hello, everybody, and welcome to another edition of the Crypto Guys. So, hey, big question. How long is it going to take for Bitcoin to go back to the top? How long is this whole bear market finished? Or are we going to keep going? Perhaps you're thinking that, and who can blame you? We've been here for, almost 5 months now. So let me tell you that I think that if this is not a big bear market, then in that case, we should be close to the end. Of course, it's not financial advice. Do your own research, but let me share with you about what I think is going to happen. Okay, so this is the chart as we can see. So we have went all the way down now to 38 before we found a support at my support line exactly where it's been. So my support line has held very well, almost perfectly at 38,220. So yes, I did buy a little bit there, and we are getting a bounce as well. And yeah, so that's where we are now. And James is coming in. All right, James, we are just talking about the support line. So let me bring James in on the live here. And because the question is, how long are we going to stay in this bear market? When will we recover from this bear market, right? So yeah, and I've just shared with them that we got a bounce at 38,000 and I'm buying Bitcoin. I'll tell you why I buy Bitcoin, but I do think that if this is only a correction and not a bear market, that this is very, very close to the end, and we should be happy because there's a lot of reason why this whole correction could end. Okay, and yeah, we'll talk about that.
Beautiful. You can hear me okay, right? You hear
Yeah.
my mic?
I'm just sharing my screen now so they can see. So we're live, right? All
Excellent.
right.
Yeah, I knew that.
So one of the reasons I buy, let me just take all this out and show you the fair value of Bitcoin, okay, which is one way to look at it. And we have been to the fair value for a while. That's true. But fair value means a good time to buy Bitcoin. So you can see there's been two places at about 36, and now the halfway point is about 36.7. It is definitely possible we make our way here again at this level. So, and the lower part is 30,000, which would be the lowest I think Bitcoin is going to go. If we have a capitulation candle, then we would probably go to 30,000 minimum. But I will start buying right away. I have been start buying right away. So I think these are good prices to buy at even now.
Michael, what do you think about the guys online who are saying that Bitcoin could go down to 30, even below 30?
Oh, I think that's right. I think it can go. I think it probably will go, but who knows for sure? Nobody knows 100% if Bitcoin will do that or not. I think you have to have a plan A. If it goes up, I do that. A plan B, if it goes down, I do that. So that's why I always say be cash positive in case it does go down to 30. I think that would be good that you have some to buy. Like I told you, because you have some cash. So where are you going to put your cash? Well, don't put it all in crypto yet, because there's still possibility and risk that it goes down to 30. But you know what? There's still a possibility that it don't go to like 30. And then if you didn't buy anything, then you're not in the game. And if you're not in the game, you didn't buy, then you're going to lose out when it does go up. Because here's one thing that is for certain, okay, is that bear markets corrections do not last. And we always go back to the all-time high, always. It's this is the name of the game. As Warren Buffett said, that money is transferred from the impatient to the patient.
That's true. So true. And it's been a rough couple of weeks, obviously, in crypto, a rough couple of weeks in Bitcoin. But again, it's just like a long-term thing. And we've talked about this before on this channel about trading strategies and this idea of, like as Michael says, it's you want to be in the game. But a lot of people have this all or nothing thinking. It's like they invest all in Bitcoin or they pull it all out of Bitcoin. But it's a smarter strategy to DCA your way into things, or going down or up. And so, yeah, it's a great time to buy, because if you're wondering, yeah, but what if it goes down? Then you buy again, you buy some more. That's how
Yeah.
you do it. You don't buy everything right now. And so, if you're new to trading, this is just an important strategy for you to understand. It's not like, if, let's say, you only have $1,000 to trade, and that's all you have. Well, you don't go and put $1,000 into Bitcoin right now. you might put a bid in now, and then
like
you're going to wait. If it
500.
goes up, okay, there you go.
Yeah, probably wouldn't buy Bitcoin if I only had 1,000. But anyway, probably buy Dogejet or Metagold, especially now. Okay,
Yeah.
anyway, what I will say is that look, it's every correction, every bear market is just temporary. We're gonna go back up, and you just gotta follow your trading plan. Like so many people, they have this plan, right? They have a plan how they're gonna make like money, but as soon as that they see a bit more like correction, if it goes down more, they overreact and they sell and then they stop follow the plan. That's just so stupid. Like, how could you be successful? Follow your trading plan. Like, that's the most important thing you could do. And yeah, maybe it takes discipline and like learning, but if you don't sell, you don't lose. It's only, even if you bought it higher and it goes down, it's an unrealized loss. Unrealized mean you didn't lose nothing yet. You sell, you lost. That's a realized loss. So you have to understand the difference between an unrealized loss and a realized loss, because I some of my trades are in a loss right now, but I don't focus on that at all. I don't. You ask me how much did you lose? I don't friggin' count. Okay, and why I don't count? Because if you focus on losing, how do you feel? You're not going to
Like a
feel good.
loser.
You feel like a loser. Exactly. So I don't focus on what I lost. Okay, I only count my wealth when I win. This is the only time. This people don't understand that, but I never count my loss. I don't want to know, because if I focus on it, I feel it. So I have some of my trades that are in wins. I have some in loss, but I'm not at a big win right now, so I'm going to wait. I'll wait till Metagold bounce back. True, my trades that I made bounce back, because one thing is 100% certain: if I'm patient enough, they will bounce back, and I will be in a profit. And then I will write down all the money I made, right, and big smile on my face, right, because I'm making money. But I will focus on my win, and I only feel the wins. I never count my loss. I think people have a hard time with that because they don't follow the plan, their trading plan.
Yeah. Well, it's only a loss if you sell at a loss. Other than that, it's not a loss yet. So
Why?
it's
Why would you
important
do
to
that?
understand that.
That's so stupid. Why sell at a
Exactly.
loss? That doesn't make any sense to me.
Exactly.
Right?
By the way, this is not financial advice. Do your own due diligence. We have to say this all the time, but we just have to say it, right? Like you got to do your own due diligence. Um, you know, what we need to do a video on is how to create your own trading plan. That would be a great video, I think, for people. If you guys want us to create a video about doing your own trading plan, how to do that, then tell us in the comments that, and if
Yeah.
there's enough of you, then we'll create a video teaching you how to create your own trading plan based on your tolerance for risk.
And also a simple trading plan: buy low, sell high. And if you buy low and goes lower, hold. Hold. It's such easy, like a simple trading plan like that. But yes, there's more complicated trading plan, like how much percent you put in altcoins, how much percent in Bitcoin, how much cash positives should you be, when do you buy, do you DCA, and what kind of DCA? Like, there's a lot we could teach there for sure, right? So, well, hello, Mohammed. Welcome to our little world here in the crypto. How are you doing today? Hope you're doing great. So he said hi to us while we're live. All right.
Yeah, I
So
saw that. Good to see you, Mohammed.
awesome. Okay,
Okay,
man. Yeah.
great.
Anything else?
Great seeing you. No, great seeing you.
Okay.
Back to work.
Back to
So
work. See you
until
guys.
next time on the
Happy
next Three
trading.
Crypto
And yeah,
Guys.
so don't lose hope. We're at the end of this correction, I think. So,
Oh,
all we need is the, well, you know what? Here's a big indicator before we go. If the interest rates, right, if the inflation rather starts to go down, I will say that is the end of the correction. Okay. We have another person says hi to us. Well, hello, Diamond
hey,
Heart
Diamond.
dot frequency. How are you, man? So again, if the interest rate goes down, I would say that we are now in a good place, and inflation goes down, then I would say that it's going to be bullish, massive, like bullish, right? Dogejet reward to the moon. Are you promoting Dogejet on my channel, Mohammed? How could you do that? Dogejet reward to the moon. Yes, Dogejet is so awesome. I
Yeah,
love
for
it.
sure, for sure. Good things ahead. Good things ahead. Awesome, everybody. Well, thanks for tuning in, and we will be back here tomorrow. So until
All
then,
right,
as Michael said, happy trading. See ya.
for sure.
Bye.
Bye bye.